In this video, I'll be walking you through knowing your numbers in your business in order to hit 6 figures in your business. Now feel free to hit the link below. It's going to take you to this sheet here, and what I would recommend you do is that you hit File here and make a copy, and then you can edit all the figures as you grow in your business. And if you were to even down the future have another online coaching business, you can also use this as well for that particular business. But to obviously talk about this business, these are the numbers that you can clearly see. I would suggest you have them written down or printed off and up on your board in front of you wherever you are, with your desk and your Mac, your laptop, and so you know you're very clear on what you need to bring in every single day, what you're going towards, and everything just will become easier when you know your numbers. I mean, I do find lots of coaches struggle with this and they don't always prioritize their numbers, and therefore every day seems a bit of an overwhelming mess sometimes. However, this is all about making it very clear for you. So I always will put here £10,000. I know obviously it shows dollars, but it can work in any currency that you wish. But if you were to come along, make your copy and have a revenue of £10,000 in your business per month, then you know exactly where you can also hit numbers in other areas of your business. These are basically the levers in your business, and you can then see what levers you need to then improve on, and you need to then then understand what numbers you need to hit in your Facebook marketing campaigns and efforts. And yeah, I would put here 10,000 if you have a revenue goal of 10,000. That's what I bring my clients to. Price point. Now, I always do suggest, depending on how much of the portal you have been watching in terms of like video content, but the price point needs to be at least £2,000. I like to suggest at least really 2,500, just because of your marketing budget that you would need to allocate towards pushing your business forward once you've tried and tested it organically, your offer. So 2,500. I always also suggest you have at least, I don't know, 20 to 25% of your total monthly revenue goal. So in this case it's 1,000. However, in order to be very conservative and have like a stress-free business, to put 2,000, you can then see the figures change slightly here, is a great number to go on, because then you have enough Facebook spends or YouTube, whatever it is that you want to use, spends to then fully go to town when it comes to driving your business forward. You can obviously do it with 1,000. If you want to go back, you can see the sheet here, populate whichever figure that you might put in these green fields. Only change these green fields because obviously it's all determined, it's all functionally crafted, this particular sheet. If I was to go back to 2,000. Leads to group. You're not going to be knowing these types of numbers when you first start off, especially when you start to press and go on your ad campaigns. But for now, I would just leave to 70% your leads to group. There will be another training following this particular video when it comes to tracking your actual KPIs, your key performance indicators, are your targets. But I would just leave this here if you're just starting out. Members to call. Again, we don't really know where you are right now if you're just starting out with all this, so I'll leave that as 5%. And let's just say you've had a history of calls already. I would leave this then at your rough estimation. So if you say you close at 50%, so every other call you close, fantastic. I would then put this at 50%. But if you do know, or if you don't know, then industry standard is around about 40% close rate. And then this column here will show you how many leads you need to put into your Facebook group per day using these figures. So the leads that you need into your Facebook group every day will be 10. That works out to be 6.7 actually convert into a member into your group. You then need to see the amount of clients per day. It's 0.2. Obviously, these small numbers would be better to see per month. Obviously, got the weekly as well, but per month, this would mean to hit your £10,000 revenue, 286 leads going into your group per month, which works out to be 200 members. We also have 10 calls And if you were closing at 40%, that's only 4 clients for you to hit your £10,000 per month revenue with a price point of 2,500. Now, again, you and I'm sure because you are a premium client of mine, we've had a chat about this. This is what our meetings are all about. We would then go extensively into the numbers as well across the board, depending on where you are of your price points for your program. These are the numbers that you need to hit on a daily, weekly and per monthly basis in order for you to have a 6-figure consistent business online. Now, if you've got any questions, then please let me know. Obviously, these boxes here are quite self-explanatory, but basically, actually they're not, I suppose. I'm so used to my numbers, you see. The lead cost here, this means that you can pay up to $7 a lead when it comes to your Facebook campaign. Anything over $7, you're going to be paying more, and it starts affecting these numbers here. So if you were running your own ads, or if I was helping you running your ads, whatever our situation is, our setup, I would know based on these figures here, we wouldn't pay more than $7 per lead. And if it's over $7, we would need to edit the campaign or just kill off the campaign. And then you know how much you can be paying for a call. So in this case, if we are to hit all our levers and all our KPIs in this regard, it'll be up to £200 per call that you can pay for in order to hit your £10,000 per month. And yeah, this is basically, again, an overview of the numbers in your business. Obviously, this number here per month will equate to a 120,000 per year business. You do have an annual spend here into Facebook or YouTube, whatever it is that you might decide to do, of £24,000. You do obviously have an annual profit of 96,000. We do need to obviously minus other things as well, like your ClickFunnels account, depending on where you are and your payments there. If you do have a VA and other little things. But again, a fantastic profit margin. It will be slightly lower, but again, this is just an overview. I don't know the ins and outs of your business whilst recording this particular training. But if you've got any questions, then please let me know. There's going to be more information in the following video coming up. But take a copy of this, have a little play around. If you've got any questions, as always, give me a shout and I will help you go through them with you and help you really understand where you are with your business numbers. All right then, I will see you in the next video.